Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower last week. You had soybeans leading the way to the downside. They flip-flopped this week, though, and are all currently higher as we get the week underway. Most of the thing that the trade's looking at this week is Friday's upcoming WASDE and quarterly stocks report. We'll touch on that a little more as we move down the week and it becomes a little more relevant. As for today, what the trade's kind of taking a look at, Informa released some projections on Friday for what they thought their estimates were for this upcoming USDA report, and they raised both corn and soybean yields and production. So that's what a lot of traders are thinking we're going to see on Friday from the USDA. Informa is seeing that. A lot of other private analysts are seeing that as well. So therefore, we'll see that with our estimates later on in the week when we put those up here and go over them on the whiteboard. But moving forward to today, not a whole lot of news out right now. Cold is a concern. I don't know if you can see it in the window there, but it is nice and sunny here in Chicago today. However, wind chills are at -45. So although it is sunny, don't let it fool you. It's quite cold here. I think they've called this winter system Siberia. So very chilly day here, not just in Chicago, but across the country as a whole. Down even in the Gulf of Mexico states before you get to Florida, it's below freezing. That's not something you see too often. So stay warm out there wherever you are. That's bringing in some winter kill concerns in the plains as it relates to the grain market. So if we do get some winter kill out there due to lack of snow cover, definitely now's the time that it could happen with these extremely cold temperatures. So keep your eye on that. We had some export sales announced this morning. Just over 110,000 in corn sold to Mexico for 2013-14, and then 160,000 of wheat, both hard red winter and soft red winter wheat, for 2014-15 delivery. So that's all we've got for today. Stay tuned this week. We'll keep you up and at 'em on the upcoming WASDE and quarterly stocks report. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, stay warm.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.